Hello students, how are you all? Yes, I hope you are all fine and safe at home. This is K. Venkatesan from Department of Physics, Bharathasaram Metric Higher Secondary School, Arakkonam. Today I am going to introduce a new topic from 11th standard physics, second unit kinematics. Today I am discuss a very interesting topic, NEET and JEE problems. See, already we know that the basic concept of kinematic equations. What is the formula for kinematic equations? There are four formulas, very important formulas. Velocity time relation V equal to U plus AT, and displacement time relations, what is the formula? S equal to UT plus half AT square, and velocity displacement relation V square equal to U square plus 2AS. Finally, initial velocity and final velocity given means at the time we are using the displacement formula S equal to V plus U divided by T divided by 2 into T. Okay, already we know that the basic concept and the basic problems. Okay, see, now interesting problem. A particle moves in a circular radius, circle of radius 10 meter. Now I am going to introduce circular motion. Okay, it is not a linear motion. This formula, linear motion formula only here coming, but just small changes. Okay, see here. So a particle moves in a circle of radius. What is value? 10 meter, and its linear speed is given b equal to 3t. Velocity v equal to 3 into t, time taken. Okay, where t is in seconds and v is in meter per second. Is simple concept. Velocity SI unit of time is second. SI unit of velocity is meter per second. Okay, so given data. So next one is here asking the question, find the centripetal acceleration and the tangential acceleration. Centripetal acceleration, already we know that centripetal force. What is the formula for centripetal force? Yes, centripetal force mv square by r in this force acting towards the center. Okay, for example, whirling motion. Okay, see here question, centripetal acceleration only and also tangential acceleration when t equal to 2 seconds. T equal to 2 seconds. See next question, calculate the angle between resultant acceleration and radius vector. The next question. Okay, see here, find the centripetal acceleration. First question, find the centripetal acceleration. What is the formula of centripetal acceleration? Centripetal acceleration, we will take AC. AC is nothing but centripetal acceleration, AC equal to b square by r. B square by r. This is the formula for centripetal acceleration. Centripetal acceleration. Suppose you are asking centripetal force means just to multiply m. F equal to m, you know. F equal to m b square by r. But here asking only centripetal acceleration. So AC equal to b square by r. Substituting this value here. First to find the velocity. Here velocity is given, no. B equal to, what is value? 3. Here t value. T is given. What is value t? T equal to 2 seconds. Given data. So 2. So velocity equal to 6 meter per second. 6 meter per second. Okay. This is velocity. So substituting this here, acceleration, centripetal acceleration AC equal to b square value, v value 6 whole square divided by, what is value? R. R is given. Okay, R value, where R? Yes, radius. Here, radius 10 meter. So 10. So here centripetal acceleration AC equal to 6 square. 6 into 6, we get the answer 36 divided by 10. So finally, centripetal acceleration AC equal to, what is value? Simplify, we get the answer 3.6 meter second power minus 2 centripetal acceleration. Okay, this is the first question answer. AC equal to 3.6 into meter second power minus 2. The next question, tangential acceleration. See here, tangential acceleration AT. AT is nothing but tangential direction. Okay, tangential acceleration AT equal to, what is the formula? Change in velocity with respect to time, dv by dt. dv by dt. Okay, here velocity is already we know that 6. Velocity what value? Tangential acceleration, velocity by time taken. So here 6 divided by time taken. Time is given, what is the time? 2 seconds. So 2. So here tangential acceleration AT equal to 3 meter second power minus 2. This is the second part, at value. Tangential acceleration. First question completed. The next one is calculate the angle between resultant acceleration and the radius vector. What is the formula? See, tan theta equal to tangential acceleration, sin by cos, no, tangential acceleration divided by centripetal acceleration. Already in this concept we know that in theory part. Okay, so tan theta equal to at by ac. Okay, substituting this value, tan theta equal to, what is value? At, tangential acceleration here 3. So 3 divided by, next one is centripetal acceleration. What is value? 3.6. 3.6. So simplify, we get the answer tan theta equal to, what is value? Simplify 0.833. Okay, simplify tan theta. But here we need theta only. So theta equal to tan inverse of what is value? 0.833. Okay. See my dear students, take natural tangents. So at that time we get the answer theta equal to, what is value? 0.833. See the natural tangent. So at that time we get the answer 0.69 radian. 0.69 radian. That is called radian. Okay. So here just you want to convert it degree. Okay. 1 degree equivalent value. What is the equivalent value? 57 degree 17 minutes. Okay. See, applying here theta equal to 0.69 into 57 degree 17 minutes. So in this value is nothing but 1 degree equivalent value 57 degree 17 minutes. Okay. Now multiply these two value, finally we get the answer theta nearly equal to, what is value? Yes, multiply these two value, we get the answer 40 degree. This is our final expression. Okay. See, what is the question? Calculate the angle between resultant acceleration and the radius vector. So we get the answer 40 degree. Okay. The next one. The next problem, a particle is circular motion with an acceleration alpha equal to 0.2 radian second power minus 2. Okay, here asking the question, what is the angular displacement made by the particle after 5 seconds? Assume that initial angular velocity is nothing but omega naught. Omega naught equal to take 0. Let us assume omega naught equal to 0 because initial velocity take 0. Okay, already the basic concept we know that the comparison between kinematic equation, linear motion and angular motion. Already we know that here asking the question, what is the question? Angular displacement. What is the formula for linear displacement? Yes, linear displacement S equal to ut plus half at square. This is the expression for linear displacement. But here asking angular displacement. Okay, just to convert these equations, S is nothing but theta equal to omega t is nothing, that means ut is nothing but omega naught into t. Okay, plus 1 by 2 acceleration alpha t square. So just here asking only angular displacement, note it. But this formula linear displacement, but we converted angular displacement. Theta equal to, what is the formula? Omega naught t plus of alpha into t square. So substituting this value, alpha value is given, t value, what is value t? Yes, t value 5 seconds. So take this data, alpha equal to 0.2 radian second power minus 2. The next one is time, t equal to what value? T equal to, yes, 5 seconds. Yes, 5 seconds here, 5 seconds. Okay. So then, okay, substituting this value, in these equations. So theta equal to, what is value? Theta, omega naught. Initial velocity omega naught equal to 0. Omega naught equal to 0. In this 3 value, substituting in above equation, we get the answer. Omega naught 0 means omega naught t also 0. So 0 into t. 0 into t. The next one is plus 1 by 2. What is value? Alpha. What is value? Alpha? Alpha is given 0.2 radian per seconds. 0.2 radian per second square. The next one is into t square value. What is value t here? T equal to 5 seconds. So substituting here 5 seconds. So simplify. Angular displacement 0 into t 0 only. Remaining terms 1 by 2 into 0.2 into here t square no of t square. So 5 square value 25. 5 into 5 25. So simplify 2 into 25 we get the answer 12.5. Theta equal to 0.2 into 12.5. So multiply in this 2 value we get the answer theta equal to 2.5 radian. 2.5 radian. Okay, but convert it into degree. Okay, 1 degree equivalent value. What is value 1 degree? Yes, 1 degree equivalent to 57 degree 17 minutes. So substituting this value theta equal to 2.5 into 1 degree value. What is value 1 degree? Yes, 57 degree 17 minutes. So multiply this 2 value, we get the answer theta equal to, what is value? See, 143 degree. What is value? 143 degree. This is the final expression. So you are asking, this is the angular displacement made by the particle after 5 seconds. Okay? Yes. Dear students, I hope you all would have enjoyed this class and I believe that it will satisfy your thirst of knowledge. If you have any doubt means contact us. Thank you.